Clickup is one of the most flexible management platforms praised for replacing multiple apps with one workspace and offering powerful AI features. Many users highlight its ability to centralize tasks, docs, and communication, saving time and money compared to tools like Reich or Jira, but Trustpilot reviews is suspicious, of course. These reviews tell another story with a 3.6 average rating. A significant number of one-star complaints cite poor customer support, hidden upgrades, billing disputes, and slow performance. The verdict: ClickUp is worth it if you want customization and advanced features, but reliability and support remain weak points. For teams that value simplicity and stability, alternatives like Notion or Monday may be better choices. As you can see here on Trustpilot, there are a lot of one-star reviews with over 27%. They said this constantly changes, it's pretty awful, and they are dishonest. It's hard to migrate out. Um, Stay clear, it's a rip-off, or doesn't have any customer support, immature, and etc. So basically, be cautious of using this app. It can work for you or it may not.